Hi, this is Muhammad Anwar Hussain. I'm a full-time realtor and a mortgage agent. So my service is always open to my clients about real estate and its financing. For your kind information, before choosing a realtor, I will suggest you select a realtor who is honest and reliable, who is knowledgeable about neighborhoods, who has higher negotiation skills, who has knowledge about financing and knowledgeable about housing market. The right realtor will always see the best interest of his clients, best price and best terms for his clients. So for any information about real estate and its financing or mortgage, please call me at 647 807 7875 or email me at anwar.realestate22@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wish you the best.